you. Dollars, I need them dollars. You tryna holler? You got that pay on my real swag about you. Prada, is that a
What's up, you guys? So I just wanted to do a quick little impromptu video. This is gonna be a unboxing. When I tell y'all what it is, you're gonna be like, girl, you late. But yeah, so my bed's not made. I just got off work. I'm like in the process of getting ready for the gym, so I gotta put on a shirt, put my hair in a ponytail. But let's get into the unboxing. So this is okay, my intro music is horrible. Alright, so this is the Fenty. So you guys, if you've been following me on my YouTube channel, which if you watch this video, you gotta be subscribed to my channel, right? And if you're not, you're doing it right now. So look, I've been trying out foundations. I tried the Too Faced foundation. My shade was Spice Rum. And then I tried out the Fenty foundation, and I love it. And I know a lot of you guys are already on Fenty. Like, I'm not gonna, like, I support everything, especially black artists, but if it costs a good bit of money, like, I'm not gonna spend my money on it really quick, like, just because everybody else doing it. I'm not. So I am a sample type of girl. I like to go to Sephora, give me some samples. So that's what I did. I went to Sephora, got some samples of the Fenty, and I fell in love with it. Looks like my skin. Every time I wear it, I get so many compliments. So let's go ahead and get into this unbox. What I did was I bought 2 foundation shades, and we'll get into that. I bought my summer shade and my winter shade because, girl, look, I'm convinced Fenty is the one for me. Now, usually in the winter, I would wear my Lancome as my expensive foundation, but I like it, but this is different. This is different. The Labor Day sale. So basically, I got like free shipping and all that. But girl, I also got some free goodies because I spend so much money. Like, not like, oh, I spent a bag, but you know, if you spend so much, they was giving you free stuff. So I got this cute little bag, which I'm already like gonna put this in my travel, like when I go places. This will be a cute little makeup bag, and it has Fenty Beauty on the front right there. You guys, my lighting, like I said, this is like impromptu, girl. My bed not made. None of that good stuff. You guys are just using my natural lighting in my bedroom. But yeah, it has like a little cute little pocket. So yeah, that's cute. And what else did I get? Okay, so they sent me 2 cute little lipsticks, 2 as freebies. This is the matte plush lipstick, and that's in the shade Griselda and Thick. And girl, I already know I'm gonna use Thick, like a little nude color. So let's get this opened. Let me go ahead and open Griselda. Griselda, isn't that like a, wasn't she famous for drugs? Maybe I'm thinking too deep. All right, so the packaging is so cute. This is so cute. Okay, all right, so this is Thick, and this is what it looks like. Really pretty. Doesn't that look like me? You feel me? Like, look at that. Oh, maybe not a nude, but girl, that's pretty as hell. So put that there. And then this is Griselda. I used to move work through Delta. All right, shout out to Nicki Minaj. But okay, so let me show you guys what they look like. Let's put it open a little bit. Oh, I like how it has like the FB on the front of the lipstick. So, oh, Griselda is most definitely going to be used in the fall for your girl. So those are the 2 shades there that I got. As like I said, those were freebies. That bag and those lipsticks were freebies. So let's get into what I spend my money on. All right, so these are my shades, you guys. All right, so I got the Pro Filt'r Soft Matte Foundation. Now, I know I considered buying one in matte and one in hydration, like buying the hydration for the wintertime. But I'm a kind of oily girl. Like, I kind of get oily sometimes. So I like to have matte foundation like year round. So, yeah, let's get into it. You guys everybody's already familiar with the packaging, I'm sure. I know I'm late. But look, your girl, like I said, I need to know it's gonna really work for me before I buy it. But yeah, so my shade right now is 440. And then I love the gloss, like I love the packaging. All right, so that's my shade right now. And as the time progresses, I'm trying not to get this on my sports bra. I don't play by my whites. White looks really good against my skin tone though, like when I wear like white crop tops and stuff, like I love it. So, and then we got 420 as my winter shade. So they're fairly close. Like I don't get that much lighter. You know what I'm saying? Like this is my darkest. I get a little bit lighter so you guys can see this is my winter shade and this is my summer shade. So I'm really excited. And I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And if you are already using Fenty, let me know in the comments. I was really considering getting her what is it, Coco Mommy, the bronzer. You guys know I love bronzer, so I thought about getting that, but I'm gonna take things slowly. I didn't want to like spend too much. Matter of fact, I'm gonna tell you guys how much I spent. I've been smoking purple to forget about you. All right, you guys, what am I spent? Oh yeah, okay, I spent $86.62. So that's not bad. And considering I got 2 lippies out of the deal, 2 shades of great foundation, like I'm really excited. And is that it? Yeah, that's it. Fenty has really nice banging boxing. I'm here for it. But anyway, you guys, so that's it. I don't want this video to be too long. I'm about to go get my workout in for today, and like this video, talk to me in the comments. Let's discuss Fenty. Like, are you a super fan? Because I love the foundation. How do you feel about the concealers? How do you feel about the lippies? All of that, let me know. Like, again, I know I'm late. I know everybody else already got Fenty on their skin, and I know I was just using samples like a cheapskate. But girl, look, I make my money for me, bro. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video thing. Bye.